be vlogging today.
It's so funny.
We got the canoes back there.
Kayak. We can tell how much you kayak.
Yeah, I'm not very outdoorsy.
I'm so proud of us.
It's okay.
We did such a nice day for this.
We're
too.
such tough.
I need to get a tan
stuff.
because they look like a sheet of paper.
Ooh, I think we all do. It's okay.
This whole thing is just gonna be of Rachel.
No, I have it towards you guys too.
So what?
These are my best friends.
Okay,
this is
wait, so
Jordy
I
and
go
this is
down this way,
Clara.
right? Yeah. Okay.
Clara's driving, and once we get there, I'll come back on. See you
And I
later.
feel like-
Just like anywhere. Because we'll just push
Go, yeah, right next to the black one. Is it black or green?
Green? Black?
I think it's black and just.
This one?
Yeah.
I think it's black and green.
Yeah, like a. Cause the mix.
We have another one like this and then a red one that's like red and black. So
Oh, I'm so excited!
I need to put this together.
Oh, I'm just gonna push it.
Oh gosh.
Are you nervous?
A little.
Rachel, do not be nervous.
No, I'm nervous for you to put this in here.
Oh, thank you. You can just set it down if you want. Are you good, Rachel?
Just be careful with your shoes.
See, look, it's so shallow. I would get in right now. So how you get in is, I'll show you, okay?
That water is so cold.
It's not cold. No.
It's so cold.
Do you mind me dragging it? No.
Literally I drug it all the way down to the shed and then
Okay, Rachel, ready? This is how you get on. So you I'll just wait right here, okay? Good job. Then put your feet inside. Are you good?
Yeah.
It'll be really hard to flip, honestly. All right, where do you guys want to go? Whoa, it's so clear. That's usually not that clear. We could probably go swimming, actually. I usually don't like swimming in lakes, but... Are you good, Rachel? Good job! No, you're good. You're good.
once you get the hang of it, it's really like
It's easy. We should go like all around the lake.
have you ever gone like all the way back to the lily pads on
No.
that side? It's really pretty back.
Really?
Yeah. Let's go back that way then.
Oh, it's pretty deep. Oh. No, you're fine. I promise. Oh my gosh, no. My dad, brother, and I tried to go fishing here in like the kayak. I cannot tell you how many times I hooked the front of my boat.
Really?
Yeah, it is such a pain.
I've never done that.
It is such a
It's relaxing.
It is. All right, and turn on this thing. All right, we're about to make some talk. You're laughing.
Okay.
Why can't we just
What'd you say?
I'm just trying to be tan.
Is this one? What you doing?
TikTok.
Ooh.
Oh gosh.
Whatever you do is slow motion, pick it up now, Millie. Rock, pick it up now, Millie.
Really care. I'm like really surprised how warm it is. Please don't fall, Rachel, your phone. Yeah.
Wait, why did I bring my phone? I don't know. We're canoeing. Look, those were our canoes.
Kayaks.
Shoot.
Where's the fifth side?
Shoot. Okay, we were falling backwards.
I'll go deeper, guys.
Clara's gonna go deeper. What? Okay, she's holding on to me.
So pretty. So pretty. I look like a complete idiot with this hat on.
No, you look like a tourist.
This would be a good place to be out.
Do you guys want to go kayaking again or not?
Up to you. You can do whatever you want. It's only 2:30.
Do you want to? Sure. I do, but if you guys don't.
You want to?
Click the button.
So we just got done putting the canoes back.
Kayaks!
Holy
I quit. I quit. Why myself? I want to film you guys too.
Successful kayaking trip.
Kayaks, they're so fun. It was my first time. I rated it 12 out of 10. It's pretty fun. I didn't fall in. They were super proud of me. Right? You guys were super proud of me?
Yes.
Thank you. Now we're just driving home. Sorry if it's bumpy. I'm not very good at this whole vlogging thing.
You're there, right?
Yep, we were right there. All over there. Such a beautiful view. We floated for a while. Drifted all the way back to the red truck that we're in right now. Dream brought chips. Oh, the picnic? I would say it was pretty much an 11. Yeah. Picnic was pretty delicious. I got really full on my fruit really fast. That's okay. Fruit is kind of filling. We saw the bear on the way here.
Oh, yeah.
That's pretty
That was
cool.
really
Yeah.
cool.
We did. We saw a bear. So we just pulled over because we ran out of gas.
Yeah, what is that?
We ran out of gas. Crazy road.
This
We're
one-
on the side of the road.
I just don't know if it has to be like turned off.
Yeah, we're on the side of the road.
I would turn it off like it.
good. We're
Look
good.
at that. That's pretty neat.
Yeah, there's 2 tanks.
nifty.
Problem solved. Say bye, guys.
Wait,
Bye.
it might not be solved yet.
Oh wait, maybe not. Psych.
It could have just been like a fluke with the.
Oh no, I think we're good.
We are good. You know what?
We're
good.
We're
We're
good.
Problem solved.
Thank you.
Bye, Jordan. Bye. She's leaving me. Unfortunately. I'll be back this weekend.
Okay. Bye. See ya. Thanks for coming.
Thanks for inviting me.
Bye.